Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful and stone crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy the videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. Simple paint stone. We will make a paint stone crafts. First take a clean stone, wash it and dry it off. Now choose your paint color. Start painting the stone slowly. You can make flower shape or simple design it. It dry completely. Paint stone is ready. Flower stone art. Let's make a flower stone. Take a smooth stones, paint it with lights, color base. Now just flower shape. Use different color for pastel. Use different color for pattern. Add green leaves if you want. Let it dry. Your flower stone is ready. Ladybug stone. Suitable will paint a ladybug stone. Paint the stone red. Now add black dots. Make a small black head on top. Add white dots for eyes. Let it dry. Your ladybug stone is ready. And friends, rainbow stone. Viewers, friends, next friends, we paint the stone with white first and now draw rainbow lines. Use red, orange, yellow, green, blue, make smooth. Yes, let it dry. Your rainbow stone is ready. Hard stone craft. And weavers. Take a stone and paint it red or pink. Now draw heart shape. Fill it with color. Carefully you can add glitter to let it dry. Your heart stone is ready. Bird paint stone. And friends, we will finish by this. I hope you enjoy videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon.